think the ecotourism, it's the best for this country, and you have a lot of things to explore in this country, but you need to explore them in a sustainable way. Because Cape Verde is one country, 10 islands, 100 experience and 1,000 emotions. You know, there is green, so sweet, so beauty, and here is art, culture, music, night. I think this kind of tourism will bring people experience outside, you know, outside of the hotels. Keep in touch with people. Like Mindelo is the most cultural city of the country. Even I can say one of the most cultural of West Africa. Why not to go to a jam session, listen to some music, go to the beach, have some nice walk on the mountains. I think this, if people get this power to connect, it will be the best trip of their lives.